Hello health enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a refreshing journey into the world of lemon water, a simple yet powerful concoction that's been buzzing in health circles for its incredible benefits. From jump-starting your weight loss journey to revitalizing your skin and beyond, lemon water is more than just a morning ritual, it's a lifestyle change. So, fill up your favorite glass and let's explore the zesty secrets of lemon water together. Unlocking the weight loss benefits of lemon water. Are you tired of fad diets and temporary weight loss fixes? It's time to look at something as simple as lemon water. This low-calorie drink can be a game-changer in your weight loss efforts. Drinking lemon water, particularly first thing in the morning, can boost your metabolic rate and initiate a healthy digestion process. While it's not a miracle solution, when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, lemon water can indeed help you inch closer to your weight goals. Lemon water, a miracle drink for glowing skin. Imagine enjoying a drink that not only quenches your thirst, but also gives you a radiant complexion. Rich in vitamin C, lemon water aids in the battle against oxidative stress, reducing blemishes and wrinkles. Regular consumption can mean a clearer, more glowing complexion as it detoxifies your blood and aids in the production of collagen, essential for elastic and youthful skin. Deep dive into lemon water fasting. Fasting with lemon water is becoming increasingly popular among health circles. By incorporating lemon water into your fasting regimen, you aid your body in the detoxification process while keeping hydration levels optimal. The cleansing properties of lemon promote better liver function and digestive health, making your fasting experience more effective and gentle. Mastering the perfect lemon water recipe. Creating the perfect lemon water doesn't require a culinary degree, just a few simple ingredients. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into warm or room temperature water. This method preserves the natural enzymes and nutrients. Feel free to add a touch of organic honey, cinnamon or cayenne pepper for an extra kick that not only enhances flavor but boosts metabolism. The intriguing lemon water and salt experiment. Adding a pinch of sea salt to your lemon water isn't just for taste, it's a boost of electrolytes. This combination enhances hydration by balancing electrolytes essential for cell function. Ideal after intense workouts or during hot weather, lemon water with a pinch of Himalayan salt replenishes your body's salts, revitalizing your energy levels. Comprehensive benefits of lemon water. Beyond weight loss and skincare, lemon water supports immune health, aids in digestion, and can improve iron absorption, crucial for preventing anemia. Its anti-inflammatory properties also make it a viable option for soothing sore throats and reducing pain and inflammation. The simple act of drinking lemon water daily can support overall health in multiple ways. Navigating lemon water during fasting periods. Integrating lemon water into your fasting schedule can enhance the benefits of your fast. It helps maintain electrolyte balance, provides essential vitamins, and keeps you hydrated without breaking your fast. It's a nourishing way to support body cleansing during those crucial hours. Addressing the side effects of lemon water. While lemon water is beneficial, it's not without its cautions. The acidity of lemon can wear down tooth enamel, so it's advised to drink it through a straw. Also, those with sensitive stomachs should start with diluted lemon water to gauge tolerance, as its high acid content can sometimes lead to digestive discomfort. Lemon water is a simple addition to your daily routine, but its benefits are vast and varied. Whether you're looking to shed some pounds, boost your skin health, or improve digestion, lemon water can be a delightful and beneficial beverage. As with any dietary addition, moderation and consistency are key. Embrace the zest of lemons and let this natural elixir work its wonders on your body and mind. So why wait? Start tomorrow with a glass of fresh lemon water and step into a healthier, more vibrant you. Dive deep into the world of lemon water and uncover how this simple drink can transform your health journey, one sip at a time. Cheers to good health and refreshing beginnings.